Okay, folks, welcome back to our weekly live music gig here at the City Council meeting. Joining us today is Rattletree Marimba. Since their debut in 2006, Rattletree has been making their mark on the awesome music scene with their traditional and contemporary Zimbabwean dance music and marimba. I've been to Zimbabwe. I'm going to try not to dance here in a few minutes. Their high-energy dance and trance music is featured monthly at the last Saturday event at Copa. Rattletree uses handcrafted instruments and has been featured in numerous festivals, including South by Southwest and First Night. Band leader, founder Joe Laviolette, sorry, I just mispronounced that now, has partnered with many nonprofits around the region to increase awareness of various causes, including the Sims Foundation, Save All Sick Music Foundation, and the Epilepsy Foundation. Please join me in welcoming Rattletree Marimba. That was fabulous. Before we hear more, Joel, please introduce your band to us.
Yeah, to my right is Karen Green.
Hello, Karen.
Behind me on the giant bass marimba, we have Darren Dyke. And on the pared down marimba in the corner there is Wayne Salzman.
Fabulous. Well, first, before we hear about how we can hear you more frequently or where else you gig around town, tell us about the instruments. These handcrafted, obviously.
They are. I built all the instruments myself. They're based on the Zimbabwean Marimba Orchestra. And this Zimbabwean marimba music, it comes from the traditional instrument, the mbira in Zimbabwe. So we take all the melodies off of the mbira and we put them on the marimba.
Fabulous. All right, so apparently you have a monthly gig at Copa.
We do,
okay,
yes.
Which is the last Saturday of each month, obviously.
Last Saturday of each month, we have a different local band playing with us. We also feature a different local nonprofit every month. It's a great time. It's a dance party.
And then if somebody wanted to try to partner with you as you do around town, do you have a website, or how can we learn more about the music?
We do. It's rattletree.com.
Rattletree.com.
Yep, go to rattletree.com and hit the contact button, and that's the way.
And CD in production, or any way we can listen to some of the music online, or how would that work?
Yes, we have the music online on our website. We're also working on our most recent full-length album here locally, so that should be out in June is the projected date.
Fabulous. Well, before you get away then, the official proclamation here today, folks, reads, "The local music community makes many contributions towards the development of Austin's social, economic, and cultural diversity. And whereas the dedicated efforts of artists further our status as the live music capital of the world, now therefore I, Will Wynn, Mayor of Austin, do hereby proclaim today, March 5th, 2009, as Rattletree Marimba Day in Austin, and call on all citizens to join me in congratulating this fine talent." Fabulous.